Sup guys, Dogtron1, LOL here, sorry, we're always getting muddled up on names. And the reason why I'm in a different place is because it's raining and the dog is in the kitchen, so I'm sorry if the camera's a bit wobbly, it's probably going to fall out, so let's do this. Anyway, let's get on with it. And today I've got a new fidget spinner. There's the back. Apparently it's a limited edition, so it could become a rare. I honestly don't know. You may not see. Yeah, you can. Lovers section. Apparently it's collection value. Right, anyway, let's open it. So, here it is. And I've already got one, but it's not spinning very well at the minute. And this one actually spins really good. And the good thing is, where I get them from, I can actually spin them before I buy them. So, and this one was one of the best there, or probably even is the best. It's got 6 prongs on it. I think that's what it's called. So sticky out things, I think they're called prongs. So you can take the blue bit out, but I'm not going to, because I already have done. But I'm not going to, because I don't know if that breaks it or not. So, well, it doesn't break it, but if you take out too much, it might break it. So, and I think it just looks awesome. So, I'll take the camera off the tripod, I guess. There we go. Surprisingly, it hasn't fallen out. And we will find somewhere to spin it. Tell you what, will here do? I think that'll do. This time, I'll try and use my tablet. I used my mum's phone last time. If I can find the timer, which I can't, so which is really annoying. Oh yeah, there it is. No, it isn't. Look for the C's. It's probably called clock. What is it called? What would it be called on this? It's not alarm. What's it called on my phone? Because got it. Sorry about that. Skip to 350. No, don't actually. Close. Skip to 3 or 4. But no, don't. Skip to round 405. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be really hard to do. So 3, 2, 1. Sorry, it was a bit fuzzy. Right, there we go. It's actually really hard to start and do it at the same time. So the last one was like the last one was spin for nearly 2 minutes. I'm gonna count it as 2 minutes because it was like 159.5. So probably getting a bit boring for you guys, so I don't know what else I can do in the meantime. I'll be doing something else for you guys, but we've reached the minute mark. But I don't have I've lost my other fidget spinner, so in fact, I know what I can do in the meantime. So this is the box. Can I take it out? Yeah. It actually comes in this. Right. It's like, I don't know what it's made out of, so. Here it's going strong. And here's the foam bit where the fidget spinner comes in. We'll put that back in, and it's got a mark in it. You can't see. Oh yeah, you can. No. Bit of plastic. That doesn't come with it. Oh, that's been here for ages. Well, we've beaten the old fidget spinner time. I wonder if I can clean that mark. What does it say on the sides? Don't think you can read that. Focus. God. Whatever. It's getting slower. We've passed 3 minutes. See if we can clean it. Oh, we're going to need to stop. Still going. I don't think we're going to make it past 4 minutes. Can't stop it yet. Stop. Nearly 4 minutes. That's alright. So that's the timer set. Oh, you can see my reflection. That's alright, and way longer than my last time. Oh, sorry. Come unscrewed, but the blue bits have come a bit unscrewed. But I think that's alright. So that's it, I think. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Peace.